Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I'll speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what we can find here on the 2-hour time frame is that we had a bull flag this morning. So at the beginning of the Frankfurt session, we had this nice bull flag, and market reacted to this 20 exponential rising moving average and of the recent swing high on this time frame. So it was a quite important pivot level at 133.90, and we had a nice rejection. And seems like bidding is pretty aggressive right now. That my expectation is at least that market can trade towards 135.27 or 135.56. If there is even bigger power, of course, in the next period, market can go all the way probably towards 137 or 137.40 mark. But for now, since we have a series of the higher lows, we have this upside cycle that we basically started in like days ago, and seems like the buying opportunities intraday deeps, and seems like a nice and appropriate strategy according to the current condition regime. So watch for buying opportunities on the intraday deeps. If we speak about the gold market, we spoke about this trading range and this rising channel and the rising trend line. And there was a breakout at this stage. There was a mini contraction here, the breakout, the retest, and market tried to recover. But again, if we take a look at the other time frames, there was nothing really there for bull side. So this rally here was probably caused by lack of supply yesterday, and market reacted up $4 or $5, right? But there was a clearly supply from this morning, beginning with the Europe session, and it seems for me like there's more room for the downside on the gold. And my advice to watch for selling opportunities, maybe watch for some rallies, sell opportunities on the rallies, or some bear flags on intraday frames, and then watch for potential test of 1765 or 1755. If there is even bigger drop, then 1738 can be in play. If we speak about gold market, for example, just go and show you here. We'll remove this for now and show you at the stage. So we have, this is a 15-minute time frame, so it's more like an intraday view. But what we can find here is that market had a nice growth this morning during the Tokyo session, had a pullback, had another growth. This one, if this can hold, we can expect more higher prices there on the gold market. There was also a retest. The key pivot level is 87.20, and we can also see that momentum is decreased there. So there is a chance that we're starting some upside cycle here. So watch for, as long as we hold this pivot level around I will say this 86 mark, buying opportunities are preferable intraday deeps. And if we speak about the Bitcoin versus US dollar, a situation is still very sideways. But again, there is this rising wedge we can spot like this, and we will see what will happen. Maybe the market will take more. Obviously, if the market will clear 25,200, it can open door for the higher price. But I will like only if I see this and some pull, and then to hold above this 25,590, that will be a good sign for the upside. And if we clear this low of 23,600, we can open the door for this breakout of this called mini rising wedge here. So watch definitely for breakout, still consolidation of the Bitcoin. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.